Now to health matters. The management of Orile General Hospital has organized a 5-day health outreach program for children within the community. They say it is to give back to their host community. Zainab Akonde has more in this report.
This is the second edition of the health outreach organized by the General Hospital in Lagos. Children within ages 5 and 15 are accompanied by their parents and caregivers to get free medical checkups and interventions. The hospital says the program aims at bridging the gap between healthcare service and people.
One of our strategic objectives in Orile General Hospital is that we will go out and reach out to the community. So one of the programs through which we are reaching out to the community is this back to school program.
The excited faces of children were drawn from far and near, regardless of their religion and tribe, to get examined while they engaged in different fun activities. Experts also identified good nutrition as a foundation to good health.
Some of these children at home, they are not being well fed when we talk about balanced diets. Majority of us, we have left agricultural sector behind. We should go back. And I'm appealing to Lagos State government, if a small loan can be given to encourage them.
From ophthalmology, dental, ear, nose and throat, pediatrics, nutrition and social welfare, the children enjoyed these services at no cost. Government officials applauded this initiative and encouraged parents to seize this opportunity.
Orile General Hospital have created that environment, especially during their holiday, to identify what are the health challenges they have so that they resume back to school healthy.
Parents that are here should cascade this when they get home and tell everybody, come here. Health is free. The governor has even announced that if you are pregnant, your treatment from antenatal to delivery is free.
Parents say it is a thoughtful one, considering the economic situation in the country.
Programs like this, outreach like this should continue, because there are so many sects of people that are helped here, the low level and all.
With quality health care being one of the thrusts of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's administration, this program underscores the commitment of the state government to provide enhanced healthcare service delivery to its residents. Zainab Akonde, TVC News, Lagos.
Now, Africa has another opportunity to unlock its potential and rapidly advance development through social investments in critical sectors of health, climate change, education, energy, and agriculture. These are words of experts at the second edition of the Africa Social Impact Summit themed Global Vision, Local Action, Repositioning the African Development Ecosystem for Sustainable Outcomes. Adedoja Salama Deni was there.
It's a gathering of representatives of the United Nations in Nigeria, Stalin One Foundation, international business and sustainability leaders, captains of industry, policymakers, and representatives from the public and private sectors. They are gathered to foster high-level discussions, share knowledge, and leverage on their collective expertise to build a sustainable future for Lagos, Nigeria, and Africa. The challenges of Africa in health, education, environment, and agriculture seem unsolvable when matched against the several actors in the development ecosystem. The 2023 Africa Social Impact Summit intends to provide deep resolutions required to move the continent forward.
This is a gathering focused on action. We need all hands on deck to invest in the transitions we need to see and drive local prosperity that benefits especially women and young people and helps create more sustainable economies, markets, and natural ecosystems.
We can't do business on a dead planet. The UN in Nigeria is committed to continuing our close partnership with government.
The first priority, food security, SDG number 2. Germany is strongly committed to combating global food insecurity and malnutrition.
Lagos State Deputy Governor Obafemi Hamzat picks his keynote address from various projections, suggesting Africa will be home to over half of the world's poorest people by 2030, which is said there is a need for the urgency and importance of this summit.
Africa cannot be a place where we have the poorest people, because we have the resources, and part of the challenges in Nigeria is also the population that needs to be addressed. One will expect that the outcome of this summit will birth actionable steps to address critical needs and mobilize investment. Our administration in Lagos State is committed to supporting these efforts.
This event seeks to reshape Africa's impact solutions and accelerate the achievement of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Adidoja Salamadini, TVC News, Lagos.